Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create custom shape notification bell badge. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Select the custom shape tool from the toolbar. Open the shape picker and choose a bell shape. Click and drag to draw the bell icon. Hold shift to keep proportions correct. Now change the fill color to white. Select the lisp tool. Draw a small circle at the top right corner of the bell. Change the circle color to red. Add number text inside the circle using type tool. Center the number properly. Select the bell layer and double click it. Add a soft drop shadow. Press OK. Zoom out.